I'm in a corner, camping my balls off, waiting for you to come around. And when you do, I'll make sure I shoot you, make sure your body hits the ground. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the tryhard I used to be. It's even harder to picture me using FMGs, but I got so sick of dying every time that I try, and every time I would spray them, all of my bullets ran out. I just run around, always get sprayed down. Last kill of the round, just want to go drown, but this is more fun. Know just where to run and where to crouch down. I'm in a corner, camping my balls off, waiting for you to come around. And when you do, I'll make sure I shoot you, make sure your body hits the ground. I know that you'll be so pissed at me, but I don't give a shit though, honestly, 'cause I like getting all my kills for free. So come at me bro, I'll still be right here. You put your back towards the corner, 'cause you forgot I was here. Did you think a teammate had got me, or that I just disappeared? Don't expect me to get up, I don't try hard anymore, 'cause back when I'd spray my heart out, all of my bullets ran out. I just run around, always get sprayed down. Last kill of the round, just want to go drown, but this is more fun. Know just where to run and where to crouch down. I'm in a corner, camping my balls off, waiting for you to come around. And when you do, I'll make sure I shoot you, make sure your body hits the ground. I know that you'll be so pissed at me, but I don't give a shit though, honestly, 'cause I like getting all my kills for free. So come at me bro, I'll still be right here. Now I'm in a corner. Man, fuck that shit, I'll be here camping in this corner while you run around wondering why it wasn't you who's fucking raping. Made it to my corner, now when you see me I'm staying, and all of my can start with the push of a button, telling me the chances I'll shot you or whatever you call it. Switch to assassin 'cause my radar, I know that you saw it. Don't need no 20 prestiges, you can tell that I'm ballin'. Fish, what a shame that your team shit. You had a really good gun, but I got the last shot. So let's talk about who you see at the top, or what you could've done, but sad to say it's over now. Yeah, I'm in place, already crouched down. Wish I'd go away, sorry, know what's going down. Now admit it, who's the best, so you can go and take your little ACR with you. I'm in a corner, camping my balls off, waiting for you to come around. And when you do, I'll make sure I shoot you, make sure your body